Hey guys, so I just was messing around with these Cherry MX Blues and I decided to remove the clicky part, like the part that makes Cherry MX Blues, you know what I mean? The part that makes them clicky switches. So here's a normal clicky switch. Very clicky indeed. Now here's the thing that I did. I turned it from clicky to linear. All because of this little piece right here. There we go. Wow, it's perfect. You got propped up on my finger. But anyway, see how it has the sliders part and the part that goes towards the leaf spring on here and not on the actual stem itself. So let me just pull this off real quick. Okay then. Anyway, so if the camera will focus. If you look closely, you can see that the stem itself doesn't have sliders. It has like little ridge things that go like on the outer area of where the sliders go. So yeah, that's really interesting. It's like, if I take this off real quick, oh, there that goes. You can see like a white tab, like over there. I'll try to see if I can show you, but like right there, if you look in the middle, like if I click it down, that's what makes the clicky noise. And it also had the slider parts. If you look at this again, it has the slider parts, and it has a hook thing.